The tech world is buzzing again, and we all know what that means. When Samsung starts making noise months before a launch, something big is brewing, and this time, it's not just another refresh. It's a revolution in motion. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves, because the Samsung Galaxy S26 series is already shaping up to be the headline phone of 2026, from insane new AI features to next-gen silicon carbon batteries, to whispers of a triple folding phone that sounds straight out of sci-fi. Samsung might be about to change the smartphone game once again. So, buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into every leak, every rumor, and every confirmed clue about Samsung's next flagship. Let's uncover what's coming, and why Apple might be sweating this one. How to watch Samsung's big event. Live and free, Samsung doesn't just launch phones, they throw an event, the stage, the lights, the music, the drama. It's part product launch, part performance, and this time, you won't want to miss it. While only a few lucky journalists and influencers get front row seats, the rest of us can still join the party live on Samsung's official YouTube channel or their website, completely free. Based on previous launches, we're looking at mid-January 2026, most likely in the second or third week. A few days before the big day, Samsung will post a Notify Me link, so make sure to hit it. You'll get an instant alert when the event goes live. And if history repeats itself, expect cinematic reveals, jaw-dropping visuals, and one of the smoothest tech presentations of the year. This is Samsung's Super Bowl moment, and they always deliver. The hottest Galaxy S26 rumors. So far now, here's where things get really interesting. Usually leaks focus on cameras or chipsets, but this time, it's the design and structure that have everyone talking. Reliable insiders claim that the Galaxy S26 lineup might look noticeably sleeker, with slimmer bezels, stronger materials, and a possibly redesigned camera housing that feels more futuristic than ever. But the real showstopper rumor? A triple folding Galaxy device. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine this, a phone that folds not once but twice, compact in your pocket, and when you unfold it, bam! A full-size tablet display in your hands. Perfect for gamers, editors, and creators who need a giant canvas on the go. It's the kind of move only Samsung could pull off, the company that pioneered folding phones in the first place. One UI 8.5, the smarter, sleeker brain behind it all, of course. A Galaxy Unpacked event wouldn't be complete without a fresh coat of software brilliance. Enter One UI 8.5, Samsung's next evolution of Android customization. But this isn't just a new skin. It's a complete reimagining of how your phone understands you. We're talking AI-powered multitasking, smarter app suggestions, and adaptive interfaces that change based on your habits. Need to edit a photo? Respond to an email and join a video call, all at once? One UI 8.5 might finally make it effortless. This version is rumored to merge the power of Galaxy AI directly into every layer of the system, so your phone isn't just smart, it's aware. Galaxy AI, the next frontier of smart. This is the future, and Samsung's not holding back. Galaxy AI is about to evolve beyond what we've seen on the S24 and S25. According to Bloomberg, Samsung's mobile division president Choi Won-jun confirmed the company is in talks with multiple AI partners, and not just the usual suspects. We're talking about possible collaboration with Perplexity AI, one of the fastest growing AI platforms, and expanded support for Gemini and Bixby. Alternatives. What does that mean for you? You might soon be able to choose your AI assistant, Bixby for local control, Gemini for Google integration, Perplexity for advanced knowledge searches, all from one Galaxy device. That's freedom, flexibility, and the kind of user control we rarely see in today's closed ecosystems. Performance. Enter the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Let's talk raw power. Because under that sleek design, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will likely pack the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, Qualcomm's most advanced processor to date. Built on cutting-edge 2nm architecture, this beast promises blistering speeds, smarter thermal control, and mind-blowing efficiency. We're looking at CPU clocks of up to 4.6 GHz and GPU speeds topping 1.2 GHz, serious power for 4K gaming, AI photo editing, and multi-app workflows. Samsung might still sell Exynos 2600 versions internationally, but US users? You'll be getting the Snapdragon variant, and trust me, that's the one you want. Battery life. Small changes. Big results. Battery life has always been Samsung's balancing act. But with the S26, things are about to change. Big time. Leakers hint that Samsung's testing silicon carbon batteries, which can hold more energy and less space. Translation: either bigger batteries without making the phone thicker, or smaller batteries that free up space for more tech inside. Early prototypes suggested a massive $6,000 to $7,000 mAh battery. But more realistic leaks say the S26 Ultra could ship with 5400 mAh. Still a solid jump from the S25 Ultra's $5,000, and yes, the long-awaited charging speed upgrade is finally happening. According to Ice Universe, Samsung's moving from 45W to 60W fast charging. That means roughly 80% battery in just 30 minutes. Wireless charging is also expected to improve with QI2 support, delivering faster, more consistent speeds, especially on the S26 Edge. No more waiting forever to get back in the game. Software plus AI, smarter than ever. One UI 8.5 will ship with Android 16, packed with AI tools baked directly into the OS. Expect features like real-time voice-to-text transcription, auto-scene detection in the camera app, AI-powered summarization in Samsung Notes, on-device privacy tools so your data never leaves your phone. Samsung's goal? A smartphone that adapts to you, not the other way around. Samsung's strategy shift, the return of the Edge now. Here's a twist. The Plus model might be gone for good. Instead, Samsung could bring back a fan favorite, the Galaxy S26 Edge. Think curved display, premium build, and slightly lower price than the Ultra, designed for users who want luxury without the ultra-size footprint. This move simplifies the lineup. Base S26 for mainstream buyers, S26 Edge for design lovers, S26 Ultra for power users and creators. Simple, smart, strategic. Final thoughts. The year of Samsung's comeback, so here's the bottom line. If half of these leaks are true, the Galaxy S26 series could be Samsung's biggest leap forward since the Galaxy S10. We're talking major innovation in AI, power, and design, all wrapped in a device that feels future-ready. Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max may be stealing headlines right now. But if Samsung executes everything we've heard, the S26 Ultra might just steal the crown. Call to action. So what do you think? Will Samsung's triple folding phone and Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 be the game-changer 2026 needs? Or do you think Apple still holds the edge? Drop your thoughts below, that we love reading your predictions. And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Touch Trove, and turn on the bell icon, so you never miss the next big drop in the world of tech and innovation.